Wait, Ambrose, are you cheating on me with ours?
What?
What?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just playing MoSim. Huh?
Oh, thank you, Ambrose. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
It will all according to the plan, by the way.
Where the elite come to play.
It was all according to all. And Ben, yes, because I was trying to see before we did. Sorry, Ben.
Oh my
That's
leg.
I'm still working on my bathroom.
Okay. And how's your bathroom coming along? Is it looking nice
Good.
and spotless?
I don't know about spotless, but it's gonna be clean.
Good.
It'll be good enough.
Who is he passing to?
You, bro. Who else?
Wait, actually drops this time. Yes. The outpost actually dropped. I see you're trying to be like the barn out and shoot from a distance, but
Yeah.
like actually trying to do distant shots. It's like that's like getting hold of. Like actually making shots from more than 5 inches away.
No, the 9062 could never do that. The big 9062 could never do that.
Yeah, the robot they added is straight booty, but like it's fine.
Yeah. It's okay, I'm about to get Einstein's world record, okay? It's okay. I'm only
You
at
mean
400.
Anthony's world record?
Oh, yes. 1,000.
Yes. W. Einstein, bro. Einstein with 4 assists, 4 points. Oh yeah, and Einstein did it too in finals too as well.
Really?
He climbed to mid-match and gave him a couple fouls, and he still barely lost. He only lost by
Wait, Einstein
15.
lost?
No. Well, he lost a match.
Did Einstein win the event?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How close to you guys winning the event though?
Wait, so you mean who was finalist?
Anthony?
Did he?
Oh my god. Bro, Anthony pulled through.
Yeah, foot keyboard warrior over here.
I didn't know if my boy Anthony was gonna make it against the Einsteiner.